Good day. Welcome to our interview. As a part of the interview procedure, we need to do the recording of this interview. Are you comfortable with it?
Yes,
Okay. Briefly introduce yourself to me.
my name is Muhammad Bilal. Basically, Muhammad Bilal means the companion of the Prophet. It's an Islamic name. Companion of the Prophet or uh, the caller of the Azan prayers.
Okay, Bilal, why are you taking IELTS exam?
Ma'am, I just want to move to another country, so that's why I just want to do immigration.
For that purpose, why are you moving to another country?
Just for the betterment of and seek of knowledge, for the change of environment, and for some other fun fact.
Okay.
Yes,
Bilal, are you fond of traveling?
yes, ma'am. I am very fond of.
Okay. Which is your favorite place? What are few favorite places to travel?
Ma'am, okay, I will start with the places where I have went in past years. The best place to travel is Kalash Valley. It consists of three further villages. One is Bambure. The second one is Kalash Valley, and the third one is Ion Valley. So that's the perfect place if you want to enjoy the mountain, the hilly area, the tracks, and the river. Right.
Do you think that your country welcome tourists?
Yes, ma'am. Of course, in the past government, the former prime minister not only just just not only just you can say open the doors for local people, but also for the foreigner people to visit our country and see the beautiful nature of the northern India.
Bilal, where do you usually go to spend time to relax yourself?
Ma'am, usually as I am living in a place which is far from mountains and you can say river and some things like that. So nearby I have a village of my friend where I used to spend some time. There is quietness and there is quietness in that.
What irritates you about people?
When
Behavior of the people. What irritates you about people's behavior?
when people try to ask you your personal things and try to you can say that insist you that what are you doing, what have you done, why is this and what is that, they try to they want to.
Bilal, do you think that online earning has made people more lazier or more active?
Ma'am, online earning is, yeah, you can say that online earning is a part of earning, but you cannot rely totally on online things. So there are many people who are earning very much from that. But for if you can say that if we would talk about a society, no, we cannot do our earning.
Did you ever try earning from the online platform?
Yes, ma'am. Sometimes I used to do a little business of bikes. So yes, I post the ads on the online platforms available in my country. Yes, they do much better for, but before that, we have to do some physical work on that.
What kind of roles government should make for the better road policies and transportation?
Now, the government should and must educate our people the road sense and the signs, the road language, and the signs on the road, that how we should walk or drive on a road.
What kind of attitudes the drivers have in your country?
In my country, mostly drivers are aggressive. They want to they want to reach their point as soon as they can, despite of the fact that they can get into any accident or something like that. Even they go wrong, even they sometimes go on the wrong side of the road. So, uh, in their hurry.
They drive yourself?
Yes, am I driving?
What kind of driver you are?
Sometimes it depends on the road and depends on the work. Sometimes I am a little bit aggressive, but normally I used to drive. I used to drive with calmness and with
How do you rate your temperament? Are you a calm person or an aggressive person or a person who can get angry very quickly?
Ma'am, I am a very calm person, and further it depends on the environment in which I.
What kind of people you love to be with?
I love to be with the people who are more knowledgeable, who can talk with me and discuss with me the current affairs on in the what is going on in the world and the things like that, which like to talk with me in the hobbies which are similar to both of us.
Okay, thank you, Bernard.